Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can change the font size in your designs and projects on Figma. So let us get started right away. So head over to Figma, access your interface, design or project. Let me just zoom in a bit and select your text box, like for example that text here with your left mouse. There you go. And after that you will see that interface panel popping up here to the right. So here simply head over to the typography, or if you're using an older version of Figma, you may see that under text. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply click into that arrow down icon next to the current font size, which is 54 for this text box here. So click into that arrow down icon and select your custom font size. So if you hover your mouse over over these sizes, you will see the preview here to the left. There you go. So you may select one of these. A second option, guys, would be to simply left click into the left edge of that size box here till you see that double-headed arrow like this. Left click into it, hold your left mouse and simply move your mouse to the right or to the left to find a custom sizing, as you can see. So that's the second option. And the third option would be to simply scale your text box as if you were scaling it like any other element or object. To do that, left click into the given text box again to select it. After that, here on that panel at the bottom, click into that arrow down icon next to the move tool and select the scaling tool here, or use the shortcut K, just like that. And what you want to do after that is simply left click into one of the given text box's edges or corners, just like that, and find your preferred sizing, just like that. So yeah, that's basically it. Release your left mouse to adjust your custom sizing. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.